Today we wind up the chapter linear equation for class 7 and also we start triangle and properties from our next video onwards. Today we focus on two important questions very often appear in the examination for 4 marks. Here is the first question. Here the person travelled 3/5 of the total journey by train and 1/4 of the distance by taxi, 1/8 by bus and the remaining 2 kilometers on foot. What is the total distance he travelled in all? Since we have to find the total distance, I assume the distance he travelled is on the whole is x kilometer. X kilometer. If x is the total distance, what is the distance travelled by train? 3/5 of x, that is 3x by 5. So 3x by 5 kilometers he travelled by train. And by taxi, 1/4 of x, that is x by 4 by taxi, x by 8 by bus and 2 on foot. Together is the distance travelled by him, that is x kilometer. Okay, let's start our work. So let the total distance is equal to x kilometer by train. How much it travelled by train? 3/5 of x, that is 3x by 5 kilometer. By taxi, that is 1/4 of x, x by 4 kilometer. By bus, 1/8, that is x by 8. On foot is equal to 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. Therefore, the sum distance is the total distance. So the total of all the distance travelled by various modes of transport is equal to the total distance travelled. So I write here total distance is the sum of all these distances, that is 3x by 5, x by 4, x by 8 plus 2, of course 2 by 1. We can transpose the all variable related terms to the LHS or simplify also on the right hand side. I do simplify on the right hand side by taking the LCM of all 5, 4, 8. LCM of 5, 4, 8. For 4 and 8, 8 is the LCM because 8 is the multiple of 4. For 5 and 8, they are co-primes, no common factor. So 5 into 8, 40 is the LCM. So 40 is the LCM on the right hand side terms. 40. Okay. 5 8 times, 8 times of 3, 24x. 4 10 times, 10 times of x, 10x. 8 5 times, 5 times of x. 140 times 42 is 80 is equal to x. Sum up 24x plus 10x plus 5x. 24 plus 10 34, 34 plus 5 39x. So 39x by plus 80 by 40 is equal to x. Okay, so cross multiplication. 40 into x, 40x is equal to 39x plus 80. Transpose 39x to LHS. So 40x minus 39x is equal to 80. Therefore x is equal to 80. Therefore distance travelled. See how simple to solve the question. Distance travelled is equal to 80 kilometer. See, the question seems to be very confusing at the beginning. If we follow this method, very easy, very easy. Okay. The distance travelled by him is 80 kilometer. There are many questions of this kind. For example, a man left 1/3 of the property to his son, 2/3 to his daughter, rest 10,000 to his wife, find his total property. That is also similar to this. You can assume the total property x and solve accordingly. Very important question. You want that question too? Yes, I do. Here is the question about the property. So in the examination you may get the distance question or property question, but both are same. Here the number is the kilometer, then the final number is rupees. That is only the difference. Rest is same to same. So here is the question. A man left 1/3 of his property to his son, 1/4 to his daughter, and 18,000 to his wife. Find his total property. Okay, this is similar to the previous question. There is a question about the total distance is the total property. Without explanation, I work out this question very simple. You follow, because it is the last question of the chapter. You do not require more explanation, I think. Okay, I work very silently till the end. You follow. Okay, I hope you followed. The total property is the sum of the property given to his son, daughter and wife. The same as the distance travelled and the distance travelled by different modes of transport in the previous question. 3, 4 are co-primes, so their LCM is 12. Clear? Now, 4x plus 3x, 7x plus 2,16,000 by 12, and it is very difficult to solve on the board without explanation. It is very difficult. So now I go for cross product. 12 into x, 12x is equal to 1/2. That means we get the same. 7x plus 216,300. I transpose 7x to LHS. So 12x minus 7x is equal to 216,300. Of course, that is 2,16,000. Then it gives 5x is equal to 2,16,000. So x is equal to 216,300 by 5. Find 20 4 times. 1 remain. 16. 5 3s are 15. 1 remain. 10. 2 times. So 00. So total property is equal to rupees 43,200. Okay, and it's very easy. It is the end of the chapter. Simple equations. Still you have any questions or any problems unsolved in this videos, please mail your question to the below email ID so that I can respond. I send the answer to your mail immediately. Sure. If you do not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. In our next video onwards, we start triangle and properties. And there are many important questions in this chapter. We come across different types of triangles, median and altitude, and finally we end up with Pythagoras property. The initial level of questions. This Pythagoras property appears even 10th class also under trigonometry. So be careful in learning this triangle properties, and also continue watching, and also please do subscribe if you do not subscribe till now. Thank you for watching. And also please do subscribe to my channel. Thank